Drop it.
What's going on, you filthy motherfuckers? This is my second stream of the morning and my 7th coffee. What's up? For those who were in the masterclass stream, welcome once again. All right, good morning, Gaetano. Yo, Logan, good morning. Let's print the guy. Good morning. Gonna crack my first coffee to help my headache. Awesome live session this morning. Kate Robinson, thank you. You what happened to this morning? Heard it was fire. Market is wild. Morning again. Good morning all. Good morning. DC fan, Ryan, good morning. Let's see. Dan the man, good morning. All right. So you guys are in here. This is actually a public stream. For those who opened with me in the morning at 9:15, we went ahead and we set our levels, and then we just printed, right? So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's get into the charts. If you guys want to go ahead and gain access to my morning streams where we go ahead and help you really print, especially in morning market volatility. This morning was actually a test, right? Probably one of the harder mornings that I've experienced in a very long time. However, with that being said, go ahead, reach out to Diana. For those who are sitting out in the back wondering, do I join Trade 1348? Listen, this is where we print, right? And go ahead and check out that link here, trade1348.com, QR code, first month, $5. What's up, SGV? How you doing, bro? Okay, now, let's see what we got here with some of these speed racers, and then let's check out the SPY. What is the SPY doing here? SPY being a stubborn little devil here, right? SPY coming up and hitting all kinds of levels. We drew these levels pre-market. You guys knew what your ranges were, right? You could see the consolidation and boing, boing, boing in between this channel here before a breakout. We also see that it came all the way down to this level. This is great. And then came down here. I expected it more of like 380.22. Didn't quite get it, but proximal, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and print. Okay, Crypto B, you killed it this morning, Gabe. Don't know how you can make trades and stream so efficiently. Unreal. I try. I'm really getting faster at this, right? So while I'm narrating to you guys, then I'm literally into trades with my toes, right? Just like fat toeing the hell out of it. Let's see. Diamond Black, what's up? Lorenzo, it's happening. Absolutely, it's happening. Let's get to the chart. Let's go ahead and let's go and see what our babies are doing. So SPY on a cross up at 1034. We got it here on the 1 minute. We got all three intervals in agreement. So what are we looking at here? We go to the 5 minute. We can see on the 5 minute, we do have some potential to run right back up to the 200 EMA. Coincidentally, the 200 EMA on the 5 minute is also the 387.17, right? Exciting stuff. Okay, so do we have that momentum? Well, as it stands, we possibly do. We do have a potential cross here with the MACD, which would confirm that bullish momentum. RSI currently bullish, and the value of RSI is at 62.35. Now let's go ahead and look at the 3 minute, because the 3 minute is also confirming on the traffic lights and all signals. EMA call. EMA trend is a call. You got the call here. Bias to calls. You're above the 200, just ever so slightly. We breaking the 200 on the 3. If we do, then, all systems go. We can certainly see 387.31. All right, so let's just wait and see. MACD, strong bullish, and ADX momentum, weak bullish. All right, so this could probably be that level where it just gets rejected from, all right? So if you are in this play and you took this traffic light, please don't fuck around and find out. You know where you have to defend. You know what your risk was. If you entered here, you knew your risk was going to be 385.26. That is essentially your risk here. Good morning, Rose Q. Good morning, Daily Taylor. And Crypto B, yes, there was no follow me attitude in the morning stream earlier today. It was completely objective. Why take a traffic light that is too far away? That is actually a good point. But if you did, then you do have your level here at 385.26 as your risk. If you can identify a level and identify the level of risk, if you were to enter this trade, then you know what? You're good. However, if you entered this trade so far away but did not identify this level as your risk, then you are fucked. All right. Paul says that morning stream with you today was money. Absolutely. All we do is print, no matter what. Who was that? Who did that short there where, you did I love that, right? You did that remix there. That was really, really, really cool. Okay, Andres, good morning. Okay, back to the chart here, right? So you established this level as your risk here, right? You don't get a candle close just yet. Everything is telling you it's bullish. Hey, you're in good hands like Allstate. Tor, man, you killed it with that one. I love you, brother. My man Gabe, mayor of Prince City. I'll take that, mayor. I don't know if I want to be mayor, though. Not sure. Okay, anyways, back to the chart. Let's go ahead and look at the alerts here. We have SPY cross up shop. Okay, let's look at shop, even though shop is probably... let's see, shop. We got an EMA sandwich here, right? I'm not really convinced with this one. This one doesn't really, speak to me. It doesn't say, hey, I'm sexy. It doesn't say, hey, I'm ink for that money printer you have over there in the corner, Gabe. So I'm just going to stay away from shop. All right. Governor, maybe. I don't know. Sheriff of Prince City? Yeah, that'll be Ivan. Ivan could be the Sheriff of Prince City. Captain, yeah, that's all you, brother. Now, let's look for some more actionable plays. Honestly, most of these plays have just sort of kind of passed us up, passed us by. I could be Warlord. I'd love to be Warlord, actually. That'd be kind of fun, right? So I would just go ahead and pick on other Discords. As a warlord, right? Command and conquer, baby. Let's go. Okay, back to the charts. We really don't have much of anything going on right now, right? The market decided, hey, it's going to calm down. There was a lot of volatility, a lot of uncertainty. There's a bank run, SVB, got fucked. Okay, that's cool. That's what happens when you play with Fugazi money. That is crypto. Fugazi money, okay? Again, if you're not going to go ahead and assess your risk of something that's just based on speculation, I don't know. You deserve everything that fucking happens to you, okay? Now, let's go ahead and check out Coin. What is Coin doing? Now, before we go to Coin, I want to go back to SPY here, right? You never got a candle close below this level. Never got a candle close. You never got a whole body candle close below this level. So you were still in display. You still had some green. You're still going. You're trying. But again, you get a candle close, you get a break, and you come down. You are in, you're in deep shit. All right. So again, if you are profitable, even semi-profitable, or even break even, I'd say go ahead, close your position, and or secure the bag if you're profitable. I really don't like the way this is setting up right now. I just don't. I don't. The MACD is just looking really, really flat right now. We go to the 3 minute here. If we can see the 3 minute, it's just literally getting smacked by the 200 EMA. So getting sandwiched here. We go to the 5 minute. We can see in the 5 minute, just really looking at the RSI, could possibly break below its moving average and then trend down. This is not something I want to be part of, right? So if you are profitable, secure that bag, keep it moving. Next play. Now let's go ahead and check out Coin. We have marked out the levels with Coin this morning, and my oh my, these were your levels. You got a break and you came down lower than I expected, but then you came right back up, and then you found this level here. You got some consolidation, and then it marched right back up, and here you have 5760 with a traffic light to the downside. So here you go. This is your play. If you went ahead and got it on Coin and you waited for the retracement here, you got in here. This is your retracement. 13, you establish your risk. That is a $2. Let me get a little more exacting here. Let's get at the bottom, or pretty close to this body here. Up until this point, that is a $2.55 move. You made money. You made bank. Now, you want to go ahead and fuck around and find out, because you do have a traffic light that's telling you it's on its way down. Let's go ahead and look at the 3 minute. The 3 minute is we're losing bullishness here on the MACD and the ADX, right? So you would have the expectation that it's going to come right back down. Where's it going to come back down to? 55.55. That looks like a level. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. we got to respect the rules. We got to play fast, right? You got a traffic light to traffic light. You're not going to sit around here and be like, oh, okay, yeah, I got some hopium. I think it's going to go back up. No, we're not doing that. Let's go ahead and look at the 5. And we can use the 5 to confirm that. The 5 looks like it's getting rejected here. It got rejected here, right? It's losing momentum. You got RSI coming down below its moving average. And then you see the MACD showing weak bullish. It's weak. ADX is showing strong bullish, but not quite there yet, right? So, coin, take your profit. Be done with it, okay? SPY will end the green, and it's going to be hilarious. Daily Taylor, come on, man. You really believe that? Let's look at the SPY. Let's look at the SPY. I mean, it's just really, really struggling right now. Definitely struggling right now here on the 5-minute. Let's go ahead and look at the 1-minute. And, yeah, you fucked around and found out, and you got everything you deserve here on the 1-minute with the SPY, right? You had that level. You had the opportunity. Go ahead, break even, maybe even secure the bag, but then you decided to hold. And then now we got the 200 EMA, and you're sitting there hoping that it's going to bounce off the 200 EMA, and then it's not. It's probably not. By virtue of looking at the 3 minutes, you see RSI broke below its moving average, and you are losing momentum here. RSI is bearish, MACD is weak bullish, EDX is weak bullish. You want to go ahead and argue against facts? You want to argue against facts? Guys, that's why you get your asses handed to you, because you want to go ahead and argue against facts. If you want to argue against facts, go on over to Reddit. Go hang out on Reddit. Go hang out on StockTwits. Fuck. Go hang out on Twitter. Join those space calls, because there's nothing factually based on what the fuck they're talking about. But here we play facts so we can print, right? Because facts are real, and so is money. Money's real. Money's real. You want money? You want to make money? Do so based on facts, right? No FTDs, no synthetic shares, none of that bullshit. You leave that to the apes and all that hopium out there. Here we make money. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to the charts here, and we see, whoa, okay, I'm going down because you ain't around. Yeah, I'm hiding my face on that one. Yeah, go fuck yourselves. You're not going to go ahead and make another clip of me. Okay, so we got QQQQs, TQQQs. This is something that Algo's been waiting for. All right, and yeah. If you go ahead and you fuck around and find out, guess what? Your whole world upside down. All right. I'm not liking this. The TQQs on the 5 minutes. I'm not liking the move up, the move down. Very, very possible. We do not have a traffic light to the downside on the 5 minute, but did we on the 1 minute? We had a move up. We had a move down. Not really ready for any type of real bearish movement here. We're still 3 and a 5 on the green. Let's check out the 3. This sucks. This really sucks. It's just consolidation. Not attractive here, right? Let's see. Junior, good morning. Did we pay extra for Helmo Live today? I don't know. Did you? Maybe, possibly. Go ahead and pay me for 3 years, $13.48. Reach out to Diana. Get your ass in a masterclass and start making money with us, because, you know, you guys are hanging out here and you're just getting like free plays. It's free plays. I know. It's a public stream, right? But what we're doing is showing how effective these lights are, okay? And I swear to God, anybody go ahead and call it traffic lights? No, excuse me, street lights. Someone called it street lights in the Discord. I'm like, dude, you're about to get kicked. All right, so let's go ahead, get back to the charts here. Let's see what we have. We have AMD cross down. AMD, what are we doing, baby? Let's go ahead and see if we make some money on AMD. Actually, it's the wrong one. That was actually an Etch-a-Sketch. Kind of like looks like a BAM investor there. But here we go. We got a traffic light to the upside. Got rejected here. So you have an expectation that it's going to come on down. Let's go ahead and look at the 1 minute. It's coming on down, right? So you're waiting for the 3 to finally go red. And then we have an entire trend confirming between all the intervals here. We have the 1, the 3, and the 5 going on down, right? We're biased to puts because we're below the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. We're also biased, actually bearish, because our size below is moving average. And then you look at the MACD, and the MACD looks like it's going to cross over to the downside and start printing red on the histogram, right? Winning loser, fucking guy, up 32.6% on the port today and out of settled cash. Bro, you're damn near out trading our Rita right now. What the fuck? What's going on, man? What are you doing? You're playing 0 days? You're very, very fucking ballsy, but as long as you keep your wrist tight, hey, I can't tell you nothing. You're winning. I'm not going to fuck it up for you, nor will I want to jinx it. I am actually happy for you. Keep printing, keep gaining. Go ahead, change your fucking life. For those who really want to go ahead and change your lives, right? $5, right? First month. We're going to show you how to do it. Okay? So, back to the chart here. We have AMD, a traffic light down to a traffic light up, and then it's just flickering. But I'm not really convinced here. I'm just not convinced here. I am not convinced that we have a traffic light up. I really feel like this is a continuation to a traffic light down. So we will go ahead and wait and see. You guys already have established your risk here with the traffic light. You came in, you played the retracement. You probably established risk here at the 13. Maybe, probably got stopped out. But as it stands right now, I think she's making that move. Again, I didn't agree with the traffic light up. I agree with the traffic light down. Let's see. Signed up for 1348 lifetime. Super stoked. 1348 for life. There you go. Martina Avery. Thank you. All right, let's rock and roll. What are we doing here? There you go. There you go. AMD, 1 minute. Coming on down. Gotta love it. Let's see what's happening on the 3. The 3, are we finally going to go ahead and get a traffic light to the downside? That's really what I want to see. We're losing momentum here. So we get all 3 in agreement. Ladies and gentlemen, this prints. Okay. So let's see. What else do we got here? Let's go ahead and check out speed ratio here. The Qs are pointing up. That doesn't bode well for AMD. What are you doing here, Qs? You're pointing on up? Like, really? What's happening here? And when you zoom out, you realize this is all consolidation. When we go to the 3 minute, you see this is all consolidation, right? You go to the 5, you can see, again, all consolidation. So with this sideways action and you're looking at it, guys, you know what you can do? You can simply sit down and sit on your hands and don't trade until we start seeing some real momentum in this market. Okay? That's all I can advise at this point. It is 10:48. We're entering 11 o'clock. I think the market's under shock. It's like, what happened? What happened? ATVI? Activision. Wow. Here we go with Activision. I don't know the spreads on this one, but traffic light for the win. If you played the retracement, jumped in on this call, you're here, take a profit, be done. Right? As you can see, it's up, down, up, right? I'm not going to go ahead and fuck around and find out. If you got it on this traffic light, you made bank, you're good. Just be done, right? I haven't taken any plays today. Sitting on hands, waiting patiently for a quality setup. Troy, that's all you need to do. Let's not go ahead and force those trades. We don't need to force those trades. But, yeah, just like I said, you want to fuck around and find out. You already got this big red candle with that long wick here. It's responding to this level here, all right? You don't need to fuck around and find out. And it's not just with HEVI. It's with every stock out there. If you're going to play the charts, you need to go ahead and respect your levels. Let's see. Crypto B. Yeah, if you want quick, secure profits, you need some momentum to follow, right? Yeah, got 1.7% on the port this morning, so hands well sat on. That's right. Sat on it, sit on it, keep it warm. All right. The Ryan the Lion saying smart. Absolutely. You guys know enough to know that this chop is not worth the risk. It's not worth the risk. Okay, HEVI, whoever asked for that, I really hope you listened. You were right here. Done. Done. See, done. Game over. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what's next. We got Nvidia coming on down. Nvidia, wow, okay. Nvidia, what are we doing here? This is not sexy, Nvidia. Look at the whole market's just sideways. The whole market's just like, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Take their money. Take their money. Right? Let's see. You're playing natural gas futures. Holy hell. Just make sure they don't end up delivering tanks of natural gas to your house. Where the fuck are you going to put it? Right? Okay. So I need to get an update. Algo, are you here? Are you here, sir? Let's see. Not good. Let's see. Let's see. it's Chop City, so let's see. I'm looking at the performance. It's Chop City, so let's see what the girls do, right? So now going back to the chart here, we can see Nvidia traffic light crossed down, broke a level, coming on down. The 3 and the 5 don't agree with it just yet, right? What's the next level? You see a level here, 226.66. Now let's go to the 3 and the 5 to better understand what's happening here. Garbage, 5-minute garbage, right? Ladies and gentlemen, if our girls are having a hard time in chop, right? If our girls are having a hard time in chop, then that should be an indication that you guys need to chill as well. Okay. Dumb. That new Frank Sinatra reissue Belova looks awesome. Really? I gotta go ahead and check that out. But going back to Nvidia here, traffic light, it's coming on down. We do have that level, right? So you want to go ahead. There you go. There you go. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. It's a put signal. It's happening. Let's go to the 3-minute. You got a put signal on the 3. Go to the 5. Oh, it's happening. Let's see. Nicky Ricky is only up 6.9% today. Woo, 21% on Oxy and out. Way to go, you dirtbag. But let's see. Yesterday in Market Talk, dumbasses screaming directional for today. Some people don't learn. Nah, people don't learn. They want to go ahead and just scream direction for the sake of screaming direction. You know what I mean? Like, all right. Let me just put it out there, right? We tell you guys for a reason. Just play the actionable alerts and you play the charts, right? Yes, when I call you a dirtbag is a fucking compliment. But see, here's the thing, right? If you don't control your emotions, you won't be able to control your actions, right? So, again, make sure you have control of your thoughts so that you can, in fact, have control of your actions. Now, if you're going to go ahead and have a thought on direction, guess what happens? Your action follows, makes you biased from freaking market open, as opposed to playing the actionable alerts in the direction that they need to be played. Okay? So that's all I got for you. Okay? Stop speculating and just wait for the market open to play it the way it wants to be played. Yeah. You know, if your wife wants you to play with her a certain way, you're going to go ahead and be like, what about the back door? She said no. Okay. Back to the charts here. Let's see what we have. Let's see. Pull up the chair, little Timmy Gabe spitting life wisdom. Hey man, you just don't want to speculate, right? So here we go. We got Nvidia. Just really, again, all of this stuff is just sideways crap. 3 sideways crap. Look at that. Ugh, disgusting. 5-minute. Ugh, disgusting. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. The SPY. The SPY looks like a game of Tetris right now. Look, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. Let's go ahead and find out what's happening on a 1-minute. She got your big boom boom candle, and then what? We have a level right here at 386.62. Hey, you want to go ahead and take profits? Take profits. I think you should. I really think you should. Okay. So, where are we at? Boyle isn't sideways. Let's check out Boyle, and then we will go back. Oh, look at natural gas just flying. Look at that there. This no bueno. But going back to the SPY. Yeah, The SPY is green, red, green, red, green, red. You do have this level here with the SPY. Is she going to break? All right, so guys, this is what you're doing, right? You play this traffic light to the upside. If you get a candle break above this level, you go ahead and defend it. As it stands right now, it hasn't broken the level. Let's see what's happening on a 3. On a 3, you got like a real big candle, right? Uh-oh. Let's go to the 5. Here we go. Big fucking candles. Be very careful. You got to protect this level here, right? You made your money. Please protect this level here. AMD doesn't know what it wants to do. Let's go ahead and take a look at AMD. AMD just pretty much following the SPY as well. But you guys already know our side is going to get overcooked, right? You do have this level here. What happens first? Does our side get cooked or does AMD hit 81.82? We're going to find out. However, if you manage to get in on this candle and or this candle here instead of 8, the 200 is going to be my risk. Well, the 200 is your risk. For those who front ran on the 1 minute and you are here, I say, you know what? Secure that bag. That's it. Ryan not feeling it, might go back to sleep. Hey, that might not be a bad idea. I wish I could go back to sleep. I've been up since 5 this morning, like excited for today. All right, Algo, how are you doing, man? Shoot me a text. I'm really curious. Let's go. What else are we looking at? Let's get back to some of these alerts here. We have GME. We have the Qs coming on up. That all happened at 11:57. We got Apple, Nvidia, the Qs, the SPY. Like everything's making that move up. So let's go ahead and check out GME. I'm sure there's some people in the back who are just like wondering, hey, what's going on with GME? So GME, you got the traffic light to the upside. You also have this level here, right? And GME, again, another victim of Pong, you know, boing, 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 boing. Just Pong. That's it. It's a victim of it. See, charge point, 26.67%. Dope. Let's look at the charge point here. And look at her go. Wow. Still shit stock though, but look at her go. Very impressive stuff. More coffee, Gabe? I'm recharging. All right. Let's see. Spinach coffee. Coffee and sugar. Actually, fun fact, I don't put sugar in my coffee. And my coffee's straight black. Black as hell. Right. I know that's not coffee, G. Christian, it's coffee. I'm taking little stabs of cash today. Hey, take a little stabs of cash. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Woo! All right, so we got Tesla coming in. It came down to a level, gave you the put. Now it's coming up, giving you a possible reversal here. And then you do have that level right there, 170.63. Again, I'm just really not liking the morning setup here. This is no, we don't put our cash in this. This doesn't make sense. Tabasco Dave says, dark and bitter like my heart. Why do you sound like an evil villain, bro? Cody, what's good? Yes, Prince City. Well, Prince City, we're chilling right now. The market is just giving head fake after head fake after head fake. This is not where you want your money, right? If you're quick to scalp, go for it. But there's no rhyme and reason for this today, right? So let's see what other alerts we have. AMC to the upside. AMC, okay, the apes. What are the apes doing? to the moon. Maybe it'll happen here. You just never know. All right, guys. AMC, a tradable stock. Traffic light up, traffic light down, traffic light up, traffic light down, traffic light up, traffic light. You can see down, then back up, and then down, and then back up. This market's shit right now. Do not look for a long-term relationship in this market. Hell no. Hell no, hell no. All right. Let's go back to the traffic lights here. Nothing really going on, guys. Nothing really going on. Let me go ahead and catch up to some of my notifications here. Hey, way to go. Way to go. The captain. He's playing catch up. Nice. Man, look at AMC. Look at that boom boom candle. Look at her go. Oh no, it's going to the moon. It's going to the moon. Let's check out the SPY. And the SPY giving 0 fucks right now. I always accumulate forward as long as it's in the $12 to $13 range. Yeah. This here is pretty much all I've seen of Ford over the past like year almost. So I'm game with this. I am game with this. Let me see. Market makers are still pulling the strings. Come on. Let me I want to check something out here. Hey, let me Ivan, the captain. You're still trying here. I get it. You're still trying here. Let's see. Hey, the captain, Andy, if you're in a live stream, come check it out, brother. Look at my daily gains, bro. Gave up on AMC calls not even 10 minutes ago. This figures. All right. Market makers still pulling the strings. Who cares? Who really cares? I don't care. And here we go. Lucid up. Lucid at 11:03. Okay, Lucy, what are we doing? Guys, if you're looking for cheap stocks or cheap options, you know, Lucy could be the way. You got a traffic light to the upside. You do have that 200 level right there. That's something to respect. And when I say respect it, I mean you better respect it because the 3 and the 5 are still showing bearish. You don't want any of this smoke, right? Still showing bearish. What's the 3 doing here? The 3 looks like it wants to curl up. We'll see, right? Not quite there yet. But on the 1, there you go, that 200. Congratulations, right? There's some money made. You made some money. Starting to see that price sensitivity with that 200 there, aren't you? Right? SPY to the moon. Let's see. SPY. SPY was going to the moon. Let's see. Double top on a 15-minute. We don't care about double tops. We just care about making money. Market makers, dark pools, boogeyman. All reasons I lose money besides being a garbage trader. Tabasco Dave coming with all that smoke. Rick Perez. Yes, the SPY got rejected from a level here. Again, you guys want to fuck around and find out, that's on you. Cootie Love, what's going on, kid? Hey, Cootie, do me a favor. Grow a real mustache, bro. You look like Wednesday's father with that, well, what's that, Gomez? Is that his name? That's his name? Looking like Gomez here, right? Grow that mustache in, bro. Grow that mustache in, man. The chicks love it. Like, what you rocking right now? Oh no, man, that's some fuckboy femboy shit. Make that vid today, then, bro. Just fill it in, bro. Come on, be a man. Just fucking with you, dude. Love you, man. Tabasco Dave, the boogeyman got me too. Yeah, the boogeyman's always getting everybody. HR's taking notes. Are you gonna get me today, Cootie? All right, that's cool. That's cool. I check the smoke, man. I'm good with that. Let's go ahead and check out Amazon. Amazon. And oh, look at Amazon. Okay, so are we at? Oh, yes, we are. Dum dum dum. Let's go ahead and mark this. Okay, our side is bearish. You guys are here. If you want to fuck around and find out, this traffic light paid, right? If you want to fuck around and find out, hey, that's on you. But I would consider exiting the trade. He is the dirty Sanchez. Cootie Love says, I love it here. Team 1348, Tabasco Dave, laughing my ass off. Yeah, you guys are having fun here. Yeah, fun story about Amazon, right? This is a funny story, right? Like years back, my grandmother is like, did you hear about that app called Amazing? Like Amazing. She's like, yeah, you get everything so cheap. It's amazing. Abuela, that's Amazon. Just oh man. Oh man. That was no, I haven't got my chief client yet. I need to set up an appointment, and I just keep drinking my coffee and amazing, man. Your abuela must not speak Spanish. But I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's happening here. Dum. Let's see. My Romanian buddy's wife caught an F-150, a Fiesel. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Fiesel. Oh boy. Okay, now go back to Amazon here, right? Guys, you saw she broke a level, came right back up, and then, I mean, do you really want to find out what's going to happen here? You go ahead and, like, just secure that bag. I mean, this move, come on. Yeah, even if you come in on this candle here you are. That's $1.70. Why are you being greedy? I'm gonna FAFO on Amazon. I hear Fat Finger Abuela. Pretty cool. All right. So let's go ahead and check out, see what Speed Racer's got for us. Speed Racer, Lucid up, everything up, Spies up, AMD up. This market's wild. This market is wild. Let's see. There we go. Nice. What do we have here? Let's see what the spy's doing here. Man, look at how the spy just like bounces, come up. Oh man, these levels are perfect though. They are perfect. Look at these levels. Wow. These levels are perfect. What trading platform do you recommend? I currently use Fidelity. Fidelity is good. You're just going to use it to execute your trades. We do recommend TradingView for the levels and the alerts. When alert sounds as platform, yeah, I had to mute mines though. Andy was like, "It's annoying on stream. Turn it off." All right, the spy. Look at her. Okay, so now we got to zoom out. And you see this level right there, 389.19. We're going to go ahead and mark that. That is actually a level. Oh my God, she's going to push it. She's going to push through. Hey, Cootie Love, thanks for your excitement, bro. It's happening! Well, you did come up to this level, and then, like, you see, you get price sensitivity, right? Let's see. All three time frames are saying bullish. This is really, really interesting. For those who want to trade with a little more confidence and a little less anxiety, you could probably do so on the 3. Maybe even the 5. The 5 gets you in, and you're profitable. All right. I just feel like, look at that. Not a good thing on a 1 minute. We really don't have anything going on. It looks like the market found its direction until it won't. Until it won't. Oh boy, oh boy. Damn, Ivan, you beast. I love it. You fucking beast. I love it, bro. So what's going on? Daily Taylor, what's weird, man? What's weird? Webull is free. Is payment for order flow? It's free. Okay. Yeah, the SPY looks to be calming down a little bit. RSI is bearish. Be careful here. Let's go back to the chart. You can look at the indicators here. The MACD showing light green. Right. Let's see what's happening on the 3 minute. Those are like wacky ass candles. Not my type of candles here. 5. Again, not my type of candles. So you guys literally should be securing the bag. Let's see. Algo is going to grab a bite to eat. Good stuff. My broker's Webull. I trade on Webull. It's easy. I like the UI on Webull. I really do. We got nothing here on the 1 minute. We got nothing. Looks like we have a just a trend going on right now. Tabasco Dave was in fact done the first 15 minutes of the trading day. He jumped in on our morning stream, which is very, very fast paced. We're looking at levels, we're looking at traffic lights, we're taking the plays, we have expectations of where it goes, where it gets out, we follow the rules. And that's it. We follow the rules. If you guys want to go ahead and, join me for those masterclass sessions, simply upgrade to your 3-year, or if you're a lifetime, you have access to it as well. But in order to gain access to it now, 3-year, reach out to Diana. She'll get you set up. All right. So, I don't know. I'm just chilling right now. Everybody needs to sit on their hands. Just chill. Right? I'm waiting for the market to lose steam and say, all right, we're going to come back down. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see, Invictus, a potential cross up at 1110. So let's look at Nvidia.
Nvidia.
Nvidia on the 5-minute. We got that cross. We have the 200 here. All time frames are screaming bullish. Okay. But look where Nvidia is at right now. Right there. On the 1-minute, we have a level. If you got in on this play, you waited for that retracement for the entry here. That's a $2.46 move with Nvidia. Right. I don't know why anybody would go ahead and fuck around and find out. Secure that bag. You made your percentage points. You're rocking and rolling. You're gone. Right. All you're doing right now is just holding for extra. And like I said earlier in the stream, in this morning's stream, the longer your money's in the market, the longer it is at risk. That's something you don't want. All right. Now, for those that are like, well, I don't want to leave money out on the table. Well, you could secure the bag here. And if you, in fact, get a bounce, right, you can re-enter. But if we're looking at it on the 1-minute, we can see that it looks like it's going to get hot here. There you go. She's getting hot. Go, Nvidia. You go, girl. Let's see what happens. Guys, you have a level to protect here at 230.80. 230.81. That is your level to protect. Nas, you really opened my eyes to really quick scalping. Really quick scalping. It's all you need. It's really all you need, right? You don't need home runs. You really don't need home runs, ladies and gentlemen. Just quick scalps, next play. Scalp, next play. Scalp, next play. Scalp, next play. Take your profits. If you're green, you're guaranteed green in that moment in time. You're not guaranteed green 30 seconds from now. Take that bag. As I said before, Nvidia, that blue pill line, again, you're defending it at 230.81. That's where you're at. And look at her. Oh. And yeah, RSI breaks beneath that moving average, and things might not go well for Nvidia here. Let's see. Jack's dad did 21% on Oxy this AM. He did 18.8% on AMD now. Now I'm out. Have a great day, Gabe and team. Jack's dad, you killed it. Good stuff. That's what we like to see. We like to see people print. Okay, so for those who are sitting in the back wondering, like, hey, do I follow this community and do I make money? Well, we have the alerts that help you make money. We have actionable alerts that help you make money. You have enough social proof in the comment section of individuals making money. Your first month, just $5. Also, seeing is believing, and we can show you right now. I mean, yeah, there goes Nvidia, right? Showing price sensitivity to this region, right? I'm all about securing the bag and making that money, right? I'm not holding to the moon. What moon? What moon? Ain't no moon on these charts, right? Take that money, baby. Make that money. Go ahead. $5 first month. Use that QR code. Otherwise, go ahead. Check out trade1348.com and literally take control of your financial future. Now, Mexican Robinhood says 114% on SPY puts from last Friday. All right, I want to show you something with this. Oh, let's do this, right? For you 9-to-5 traders. I want to show you something. We're going to go to the daily on the SPY. Let's go ahead and let this populate here. SPY on the daily. You got your traffic light here. You could play the retracement and then come on down. Let's go ahead and measure this. Let's measure this. Let's measure it from, let's say, even here, right? That's an $18 move in how many days? 7 trading days? That is an $18 move. Texas ways. You really want to start your shit? Okay, let's do this before I go because I'm really fucking tired right now. I've been up early, but I got to be back at 12:30. So, Texas ways. Let me explain something to you. I did tell everybody on Twitter, like, hey, man, this might be time to go. You guys didn't want to listen. And for the record, I sold my AMC at damn near break even. And I let everybody know, right? My whole life did not depend on AMC. It just really didn't. So for anybody who went all in on AMC, again, I feel bad for you. It was at 15, like pretty 15, close to 7. I mean, it was averaging down. It was like whatever. But I'm out. I tried to make a little bit of money. I left like, what, $5 million on the table? That really sucked. But at the end of the day, it's just like, I'm not going to sit there and cry over spilt milk. I'm gonna make some money. And that's what we're doing. We're just making that money. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am concluding this stream. Or maybe I'm not. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY in 1 minute. Because y'all want to fuck around and find out. Y'all want to fuck around and find out. Look at that. Who wants to fuck around and find out? This is not cool. This is why we have a system in place. This is why we play the charts. This is why we have levels, right? This is why. You go ahead and get greedy, you fuck around and find out. RSI already had told you by this point here, like, get out. Now it's just coming down. You do have a level. You better hope this level protects you. But why subject yourself to this? Secure those bags always. First Republic Bank down 60% this morning. Woo! Yeah, the level was golden. I mean, that was your level. Secure the bag. Ain't no reason for home runs, guys. You secure the bag and you just keep printing. You got plenty of plays coming. Right? You got plenty of plays coming. We don't have a put. We do not have a put on the traffic light on the 1 minute just yet for the SPY. Gabe, are you on every morning? I'm gonna try to pace myself. I think this week I'll go every morning just to see how the class is received, and then I'll go ahead and make my decision based on that. Right? Go ahead and upgrade. Reach out to Diana so you could gain access to those morning streams. But I will warn anybody and everybody, if you want access to those morning streams, obviously you have to upgrade. And you have to upgrade to the 3-year plan. However, if you do not understand the system, you don't understand levels, and you haven't bought into the system 100%, don't even waste your money and do not waste my time. I only want the best of the best, the people who want to learn, the people who want to go ahead and submit themselves to the chart and know that they don't know better than the chart. That's it. You don't know better than the chart, neither do I. That's why I just respect it. And, my trading style is really, really boring, right? Because I'm not hitting 500% gainers. I don't need to. I don't want to. You guys join in on the stream, you're going to hit base hits, you're going to make your money, you're going to compound that 1% or better. That's all I got for you. All right? I will see you all at 12:30 with STV. Make sure you go ahead, check out the link down in the description right there for $5, right? Your first month. Learn the system, and then you too could probably become a 3-year or a lifetimer and then trade with us in the morning and make fucking bank, right? Consistent wins. That's it. Compounding is the absolute truth. All right, guys. Peace.